Okay, I am live. Welcome. There's no one here yet. I need to invite people. This computer is a little slow. All right, let's invite people in. Let's invite people in. I am about to take a VIP trade live. VIP trade live. Boom. Join me here. Boom. Okay. Hi, everybody. Hi. We are about to start. We are about to start. We are about to start. Inviting all my friends in the crypto channel too. Inviting. No, this is a scam. Inviting all my friends in the swing trade group. Hello, Rohit. Jack, how are you, mate? How are you? How the fuck is everybody doing on this Friday? No, not Friday. On this Monday. Yep. I'm gonna take a US 30, US 500, an SP500. Yes. I already sent the trade to my VIPs. Oof. I'm a little bit tired. I'm sorry about that. It's 5 a.m. I have been up since 3 a.m. What's up, Nicola? That's an unfortunate name. I'm sorry, just kidding, mate. Uh, remove drawings. Remove drawings. Yeah. What's up, Chen Ling? What's up, man? I'm doing fine, thank you, Jack. Yeah. I'm still on Friday mode. So before I go any further, I need you to all of you subscribe to this channel right now. Subscribe to the channel, it's free for you and it helps us out a ton. So subscribe to the channel, there's a button right there. I don't know if you're watching on the phone or your computer or whatever. Awesome, Rohit. Let's have a look at that. Oh, yes, sir. I just finished up this amazing session on the on the mentorship program. This is our Discord server. Learn to Trade's Discord server. Hold on, what the fuck is it? Here it is. Nope. This is Learn to Trade Discord server. And I had, this is the list of mentees that are in the program. Yep, we had a great session today. If you want to be part of the mentorship program, I can teach you mentorship path. If you want to be part of the mentorship path, here it is. I'll share the link in the description. Pretty cool what we do. But if you're just interested in VIP trades, right? If you are just interested in VIP trades, the link is below this video. Um, Stop spamming caps. First warning, sir. Right, so let's have a look at hey Rohit, well, we trade in 8 cap. We trade in 8 cap, 8 cap. This is, I'm gonna show you the list of available. I'm gonna show you too that S&P 500 pending order that I have placed. A pretty cool 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio on this small account. This is the list on the left. You can see, hold on, show all on the left. Don't worry about it. I mean, you don't have to hurry. I'll show you the exact thought process on this S&P 500 long, etc. But this is the entire list of crypto on the left side of my screen, starting here with Ethereum, all the way down here. Fuck, there's a ton of cryptocurrencies in ACAP. They do a tremendous. I mean, they even have XRP against the Mexican peso. What the hell is that? Ripple versus Mexican peso. So yeah, of there's a ton of there is a ton of cryptocurrencies there, and if you don't have an ACAP account and are looking to open one, then let me share with you um, our link. Because if you open an account with our link and deposit $250, you get access to all of our VIP groups, mate. So that's a good deal. Let me show you that in a second. ACAP, copy link. There you go. Use this link on the chat to open up an account, and there you're set. Let's have a look at the questions. Why do you wake up for the London session? Do you seem to find more opportunities in London session than us? Yeah, I mean, it's yeah. I wake up at 3 a.m. every day. I mean, I'm in front of my computers at 3 a.m. every day, because I've been doing this for a while. So I mean, it really doesn't. It feels normal to me, right? And the reason it feels normal to me is because, yeah, I mean, it's almost a decade of doing this. But I trade currencies. And when I used to wake up at 6 a.m., just to do my morning routine and be in front of my computer at 7 a.m., I had missed most of the moves. And I want to make money. I do this to make money, right? So I have to be up at by the London session. Okay, so that's the VIP trade. Very cool, right? That's what we do on the VIP side, mates. Everything. Yeah, everything is cool as fuck. So, if you have any questions, just type it on the chat. I am more than happy to answer anything you need to know. Why don't we see if we can actually take a trade, another trade, right? Or let's see if we can find another setup. I'm gonna start by looking at the Japanese yen. I mostly trade the US dollar, but I also trade the Japanese yen. Those are the two markets that I trade the most. With the US dollar being about 80% of my trading volume. So let's have a look at the daily on the Japanese yen. This is FXEM's Japanese yen basket. Pretty much like the DXY for the US dollar. So what I'm looking at here is pretty flaggy price action on the Japanese yen. Pretty flaggy price action on the fucking Japanese yen. Just have a look at this. Clone. Right, this is extremely flaggy, my friends. So I would be interested of sales only. What is 1% risk? If I have $1,000, then how much lot I have? Yeah, you have to use a risk calculator, and if you, I am not affiliated. We are not affiliated with this, but if you go here to riskcalculator.app, this fucking risk calculator costs $10 a month, and it's going to It's going to sort you out with all your risk management and position sizing calculation. Do invest in that particular software for MT4. You're going to thank me later. The Go to riskcalculator.app. We're not affiliated with them, but I have found that they are the best risk calculator app on the game, and there you go. Yeah, exactly. Well, there you go. So on the Japanese inside, and the cool thing about Risk Calculator, I mean, I should be fucking charging them money for this. And but the cool thing is that you also have buttons to close half, move stops to break even, etc. All right, enough of the free advertisement. So, what we have here to me is very flaggy. I am expecting more Japanese yen decline. So that's what I'm looking for. Woo. I'm sorry. Let me have a sip of my coffee. I, I finished my coffee. I need to make more coffee. Exacto, Francisco Valladares. ¿Qué tal estás, man? Right. So, yeah, I see more downside on the Japanese yen. This is looking very flaggy on the daily. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart right here. I'm going to delete that flag on the daily because it drew on all of my charts. Yeah. So I have the same flag here on the 4 hour chart, guys. It's looking very, very, very flaggy. Now, having said that, yeah, I'm looking for shorts on the Japanese yen. But if you look at price action right now, that 82.30 level or this yellow line right here is holding a support very, very strongly. Hi, Jimmy. How are you? So what I'm looking at is a break of the structure, retest of that yellow line before I even think about shorts on the Japanese yen. Where am I going to take? Tranquilo, Francisco, por acá. Where am I going to take those Japanese yen shorts? Maybe by going long on the pound yen, the euro yen. We will see. I haven't found out. Well, a good. I'm looking at possible longs on the Aussie yen. I think that the Aussie yen is going to yield uh, the best Japanese yen short. Maybe the CAD yen too. We will see what happens, right? We will see what happens with the Japanese yen. All right. So again, the US dollar is crushing. It's crashing hard. God damn. Right. We have a question from Rohit. Fundamental or technical more matters in forex market, index market, crypto market. Listen to me, mate. If you don't know why market moves the way that it moves, you're never going to make money. Doesn't matter what market you trade. But most importantly, in currencies, fundamentals are extremely important because they are going to give you the bias. For example, my bias um, my bias. Everybody on the mentorship path, I am uploading the today's coaching call right now on our Discord server. Yeah, let me do this here. I am doing it right now. You can find it here on the coaching schedule. What the hell is it? Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. And I didn't name it, so it's untitled. I think this is the one. Right. So this is May. Oh shit, it's not here. It's on session recordings. Session recording. Let me just upload this for my mentees. May 22nd, coaching call. There you go, mates. Boom. All right, so the fundamentals. Let's come back. Even though the U.S. dollar is crashing, I'm fundamentally bullish on the USD. Right? I am looking for longs on the U.S. dollar. Why? I mean, um, because of the central the Fed's decisions lately. Right? Now, what has happened with monetary policy? Well, why don't we have a look? Fred economic data. So if you don't know how to manipulate economic data, you're never going to make it in this game. But I'm gonna show you today. If you just tune in, this is the S&P 500 long buy stop at this level, stop loss at this level, target at this level right here. That is the VIP trade, right? So, why don't we have ahead and let's have a look at interest rates. I don't care about your Aussie yen. Sorry. You do you. I mean, I'm not gonna trade for you. Looks awful though. All right, federal funds rate, effective federal fund rate. Now, this is the San Luis Fed, right? As you can see during the pandemic, the Federal Reserve just cut rates close to zero almost immediately, right? That, my friends, is very bearish for the currency. But they didn't care because the market was crashing, and we spent all of this time with the Fed's fund rate close to zero. Then on March 21st, my friends, we had the first rate hike. You're welcome. We had the first rate hike on May 7th. We had the second rate hike. So we have the effective federal fund rate being, uh, being hiked, and we are expecting more hikes in the future. We are expecting more rate hikes this year alone, right? Why? Because of the inflation that this has created. Just have a look. Federal Reserve balance sheet. Aussie yen short. Really, you guys? Let's have a look then. Shit. Aussie yen short. I'm just gonna have a quick look. Wow. I don't know why you guys are there. Why are you guys there? It looks awful. Right. I'm sorry. And right now we are also seeing, and this is the balance sheet of the Federal Reserve. We are seeing the Federal Reserve easing their asset purchasing program, right? That all of this is very bullish for the currency. You know, this liquidity injection was, of course, to support the markets during the pandemic crash, but that also created such high inflation that now the Federal Reserve and all other major central banks have to act against the inflation they created, right? By rising interest rates and, of course, slowing down the asset purchasing program they're in, um, which both are key factors in this round of quantitative easing. That is, my friends, bullish for the currency. So we have seen since those rate hikes. Just have a look at how the US dollar has appreciated since May 2021, right? from low to high, we have seen the USD rise about 17%. That's a massive move, right? Without any major pullbacks. So, I mean, right now, the US dollar is pulling back, but that doesn't mean I'm going to look for shorts on the USD. Fuck no. I'm going to look for the next long opportunity. Now, where is it? Now that the DXY has broken with these previous lows, what I'm looking for are these previous highs right here. This is the level that I would be very excited. The 101 on the DXY, this is where I would be very excited to buy into some weakness for a mid to long term buy on the USD. Now, if this level fails, the ultimate level that I would be lovely. I'm sorry, that I would be looking for buys is the 91.55. Now, that is a long way down. That is a long way down. That's a 2.68% move to the downside on a 17% move to the upside. So yeah, we are still very much bullish. Let's see who wants. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's my view on the U.S. dollar. So yeah, this is a slight move to the downside, which is also helping. What are you? Shit. Are you a gecko? Hold on. No, that's a crazy animal. What the fuck is that? I'm sorry, guys. I have a crazy animal on my uh on my wall. I think it's a gecko, a baby gecko, right? Usual to have baby geckos on the tropics. So, yeah, even though the USD has broken with these lows, I am I'm still looking for longs, right? Now this move to the downside has catapulted a breakout in gold. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah. Yes, Francisco. Francisco, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at in gold. I'm going to do this very quickly because this is part of my mentorship program. I'm looking for shorts, even if gold has broken with the immediate, not the immediate, the midterm bearish structure. Yeah, this is looking extremely flaggy, right? So I'm looking for shorts in gold midterm. Yeah, midterm looking for shorts. S&P 500. This is my S&P 500 buy stop. Um, yeah, it's pretty obvious, but I'm gonna show you actually what I'm looking at, even though it's quite obvious. So the S&P 500 closed positive. Uh, did it close positive on Friday? I don't remember. I don't think so. I don't know. But in any case, tons of buyers at the bottom of the 3,800 level. Now, what did happen? Uh, Capturing and make your mascot. No, I mean, geckos. They're cute and all, and they eat mosquitoes and and bugs. But if they bite you, those bites can get nasty. So no, I'm not gonna make that gecko my mascot, even though there's tons of geckos. So, what did happen with the S&P 500 is that it opened very, very bullish. Still below my key level, which are today's highs. A break of today's highs would trigger me in long, and um, targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio or a two-word trade just below the next key level in this market, which are these lows. Now, if you notice also these lows, support and resistance levels are zones. So this is where I will be looking at possible, slowing down of bullish momentum. I'll keep you guys posted on the VIP side of things. If you're not part of the VIP, you're not going to get any trade management for me. We're getting a free VIP trade is good enough, I think. But if you want to be part of the VIP group, the link is below this video. Again, if you use the link I provided to open an 8 cap account and deposit 250 bucks and send that information to our support team, then you're going to get access to all of our VIP what groups. That's right. That's right. That offer is very cool. And the reason that we can offer that is because we have a partnership with ACAP that they pay us a commission when we refer a new trader. And that, my friends, pays for your subscription. So everybody wins here. I don't know why I would, hide that. It's pretty obvious though. So any questions or should I continue? I'm gonna wait for some questions. Maybe re-invite people in. I don't know. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm still live. You can still catch that free VIP trade. So how long to hold that trade if we don't get triggered? That's a good question. Let me just invite everybody and I'll answer. That is a goddamn good question. Yep, calmado, papá, calmado. All right. Cool beans. So, um, yeah. How long should you hold that trade? Oh, I'm sorry. If you will get triggered. Well, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Right, so here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. This could go either way, right? This could go either way in the sense that we could, in fact, get triggered and price move up, or, just the price reject in this zone and continue to the downside. Now, if that happened, well, where I am from, um, you know, it doesn't matter where I'm from, right? Really, 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 really doesn't matter. Yeah, if price goes down and breaks with my stop loss level, then of course I will be deleting that order. Um, if price triggers me in, I will be managing that trade kind of aggressively. Maybe not. It depends on how price moves. You know, hello Slayer, how are you? Wow, tons of people in. That's the VIP trade. Before I go any further, please subscribe to the channel. It's free and it helps us out. If you subscribe to the channel, um, I'll keep doing these freebies. Just subscribe. Give me that as a thank you for this trade. No worries, Slayer, no worries if your English is bad. Just go ahead and ask anything. You know, it really doesn't matter. Mm, right. So I was saying, right, what time is it in New York? Let's have a look. It's 7:30 in New York. So we might, in an hour, in half an hour, we're going to see some pre-market volume in. And that's going to make price move, right? I am placing my orders pre-market just just to not miss this trade, right? It's looking very good. I like it. I do like it. That Friday, that Friday move, right? That Friday move at the close and how it opened, how the S&P 500 opened with a gap up and a move up. We retested the daily lows, possibly closed the gap on the E-mini. Let's have a look if we close the gap on the E-mini. I trade everything, man. I trade everything. Wherever I can make money, I will trade. So yeah, the gap was not closed on the E-mini, but that's okay. Sometimes gap just don't close. Any clue on sharp fall in U.S. market? Listen, watch my video on the S&P 500, right? I'll share that with you here. After watch this video. Watch this video. After this session, in this video, I go through. Hold on. I go through why. Hold on. That's me. Right. I'm going to share that link on the. I trade everything that can make me money. So, watch this video. Subscribe to the fucking channel. Thank you. And in this video, I show you volume-wise why I'm looking for those longs. I take the VIP yesterday for 1 month, and today I trade the BSV, and the profits are very good. Thank you. Well, that is Aziz, my friend, our crypto trader. He's very good. I will share this with him. He will be happy for the kind words, Slayer. That is Aziz. All right. So, uh, I'm gonna send an emoji because that's a good one. Good one. All right. So yeah, watch that video on the S&P 500 that I uploaded yesterday, and yeah, about the sharp fall on the U.S. market. I don't think they. I mean, it is my opinion. This is not financial advice. I am long the S&P 500 for fuck's sakes, and I've been long for 17 to 15 days. I don't remember, right? Hey, Kagan, Demikri. I have been long, right, on the with the VIP group, the swing trade VIP group. We are long the S&P 500, right? And watch that video. I mean, the volume is very clearly the bearish volume, the selling volume is very clearly drying out. Today is going to be key on market direction for the next couple of sessions. So let's see if we can get triggered long here on our S&P 500. Yeah, this is looking very. This is the hourly, right? I'm gonna show you the 50-minute chart. On the because on the hourly it was looking a little bit thin, right? But this is what it looks like on the 50-minute chart. Yeah, this is very good. I love this trade, this breakout trade. Pretty much like gold, right? Uh, got pretty much like this gold trade to the upside, right? Previously, I missed this one. Oh shit, I missed this one, but it was really, really early. I was asleep when that happened. I saw it. Shit. I saw it. I saw this gold setup. No, it was a clear setup here. Very, very clear 2R2 in gold that hit targets, actually. But I mean, I saw it and it was like 11 p.m. here, and I was going to go to sleep for a few hours, and I was going to live, I mean, price was trading, I think, around these levels right here, and I was not going to leave a pending order, right, without the possibility of managing it should it trigger me in while I slept. Yeah, some of the trades on the crypto channel are not available on ACAP. Not every single cryptocurrency has a CFD on ACAP. or on any other brokers. Um, all other are in exchanges, man. Look for exchanges, FTX or so. Binance. Binance has. Oh, just open a Binance account. Bitcoin consolidation. Let's have a look at crypto. Yeah, I don't know. Crypto. I mean, yeah, Bitcoin has been in a consolidation for what? Since here, since this lows, let's grab this as for 10 days. 10 fucking days of choppy market in cryptocurrencies, mates. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, but what we can do is just have a fucking look at the market. Why don't we? Right? Just have a look. This is that 2 week, 10-day consolidation. Pretty obvious, right? On the higher time frames on the forward chart. Hey, have you guys subscribed to the channel or not? I'm gonna play you a song. Actually, no. Yeah, but why don't we print some money? Subscribe to the channel. That's right. Subscribe to the channel. I forgot I had all of this. Just have a look. A rocket with money. The boom. I have a ton of stuff to play with. The dollar bill, yo.
Here comes the
Here
money.
comes the
Here we
money.
go. Money talk.
Yeah. Shit. I forgot I had all of this. Okay, so I don't know what to tell you, man. But why don't we have a look at the markets, right? I mean, at the actual chart. Oh boy, I don't know. I mean, taking longs here looks very ill-advised. Oh, I don't even want to look at this chart. So, a couple of things could happen. A couple of things could happen. Um, have you subscribed to the channel yet? Yeah, I'm not gonna get tired of asking you to do it. Just please do it. What app are you using for streaming biz? It's called OBS. It's OBS Studio. Just Google it, or just Google how to stream live in YouTube. There's a ton of YouTube videos up on NAS 100. Kudos, kudos. So, pretty thick zone here in BTC, in my opinion. If buyers manage to bring price up here, this, my friends, is going to be the level to short this market and to make it bleed. Because I mean, the actual, in my opinion, right? I just have a look at this, right? Here's where ratios come into play. Let's have a look at where that 161.8 the this move to the upside is, right? So if you take this, now here's the thing, right? I'm not an Elliott wave guy. I am not an Elliott. Well, this is funny, Mr. Money Jr., because what you are here to make money or to trade 10 times a day? Because if you want to trade 10 times a day, this is not the place for you, and you should join some group that loves to burn money. I only take high probability setups because I love to see my equity curve rise in the long term. So I am not going to trade mediocre trades just because you want to trade 10 times a day, mate. Sorry. You gotta master the S&P. When to stop US 500 trade if not triggered? Could you please tell or you will notify? Yes, of course I'll notify on the VIP, Rahid. Of course, I always do. If I delete that order. So the 161.8 and I mean I'm gonna continue. I'm not an Elliott wave guy, dude. So let's assume this is an ABC corrective move, right? The C should always be the 161.8 of the AB move, right? and we haven't gotten there yet. So I don't know. I don't fucking know actually. Maybe we have another leg down. Who knows? Who knows? But again, I'm not an Elliott wave guy. Um, I am a key levels guy, and I don't trade against the trend that often. So yeah, Bitcoin's sucky. So someone is up on the Nasdaq. What are you trading on the Nasdaq? Are these mini rallies just shorts covering their positions on what market, mate? Uh, Bitcoin? Possibly, possibly. Or the S&P 500? Possibly. Who knows? Possibly, right? Yep. So there's a cool thing that I know that you have always all heard about it. Less is more, and just focus on that. Laser focus on that. I mean, if you want to see your account grow, just focus on quality over quantity. Please, please. I mean, stop asking for more trades on the VIP group because doing I am not accommodating you because you want to trade more, right? I am sending you what I trade on a daily basis. Uh, and those are only high quality trades. I have mental stop levels when it comes to losing streaks. That helps me out keep my equity curve high. Yeah, I'll show you how our equity curve looks by this month. I'll share that with you today. Right, what are you? Here you are. Boom. This is how our equity curve looks this month. 5.21% growth in May on the VIP group. And that, my friends, is by only trading quality over quantity. Why? Why would you want to trade? Why would you want to trade mediocre trades and give back all the hard-earned money you've made on the past optimal trades? I understand that mentality, but I'm here to change that. So if you want to be part of the VIP group, the link is below this video, right? We do have a 30-day money back guarantee, so you have absolutely no risk at all. That's how confident we are on our trading. So the link is below this video if you want to be part of the VIP experience. You should. We do make money. Now, any more questions, guys? What's your opinion on crypto? Warren Buffett's view on crypto is that he doesn't not see any value in BTC. I mean, is there value in Bitcoin? Actually, I mean, is there value in gold? I don't know if uh, gold is. I mean, gold is what? How much? Let's have a look. Gold is what? Almost $2,000 and $1,800, well, almost $1,900 an ounce because people are willing to pay that, right? But do you see value in cryptocurrency? I do see value in the technology behind Bitcoin, but maybe not in Bitcoin itself, right? I do see a ton of value in blockchain technology and how disruptive this technology is going to be in a ton of markets, but maybe not Bitcoin itself. Having said that, I will trade Bitcoin because it yields great opportunities when it moves. But I really don't have a fixed opinion or a very strong opinion on BTC. All right. If you just join us, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's right. Um, yeah. It's free, and maybe that is the way that I'm asking you for to thank me for this trade on the S&P 500. It hasn't been triggered yet. Possibly will not get triggered until pre-market volume jumps in, right? It's 7:46 a.m. in New York, 5:46 a.m. here. So I'm gonna wrap things up. If you don't have any questions, again, just if you're asking, I just shared that link to join us on the VIP side. We have a 30-day money back guaranteed. Yeah, so there's no risk for you. Again, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. If you have more questions about my views on the S&P 500, just watch my last video. It's on all the channels. It's called I almost got stopped out on my S&P trade. I don't remember, something like that. Yeah, but and this is the where I'm putting my money on at risk today on S&P 500 longs, maybe at the breakout of the daily high. The cool thing about this level, guys, is that we have Friday's highs, Thursday's highs, and Wednesday's highs all aligned here. All aligned here. That's why it has been very hard for price to break through, right? But we have a very strong level, and if buyers manage to swipe all the sell orders here and break through them, the probability of price rallying towards the next key level is quite high. That's why I am planning on this trade. Right now, I'm going to record a full on-trade rationale video for my VIPs, and I'll upload it in a bit. Again, thank you for joining me, guys. Trade safe. Don't try to trade a ton, uh, or trade every single setup. Just choose the best one and make money long term. That's my advice. Thanks again for joining me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we go live or every time we upload a video. If you just joined us, this is my S&P 500 buy stops. Um, I will update the VIPs only on this trade. So thanks again, and I'll see you around. Cheers.